Welcome back to our channel for another installation day, and today right behind me in the shop we have a M340i is in for exhaust upgrades. So the car is going to receive this beautiful M Performance axle back exhaust system. So as you may know, in order to replace the M Performance exhaust, the original exhaust has to be cut, and now we are currently working on the car to remove the factory axle back out from the 340, and later once we have the parts removed, then we will install this M Performance exhaust onto the car. So now let's get back to work to install the exhaust, and later once we've done everything, of course we will start up the car, do a sound check, listen to how the M Performance exhaust sounds like compared to the factory exhaust system. We have removed the factory exhaust system out from the M340i and we put it side by side to compare with the M Performance system. So on the outlook wise, both of this system, they looks very similar, but of course this factory system, it is very restrictive. It kills off a lot of sound on the M340i, and the M Performance system offers you a very sporty, aggressive exhaust tone compared to the factory system. So the M Performance system, it is a fully plug and play solution, except that you need to do a little bit of cutting on the factory system in order to fit this. So the rest of the parts, such as the brackets, the hangers, it is totally same as the original. So basically what we will do is we will transfer all the exhaust brackets, the hangers from the factory system and install it on the M Performance system before we can install it on the car. Also for the valves control function, it is fully compliant with the factory control settings, whereby you can operate the valves by using the Sport and Sport Plus mode. When you put the car into Comfort and Eco Pro mode, the valves will be closed. Also this M Performance system, it includes this electric valve actuators. So basically we'll just install the exhaust system, plug back in the harness, and we are good to go. The M Performance exhaust system is to enhance the sound quality and volume for the typical BMW character. Also, the back pressure is reduced to improve the exhaust flow, which increase the engine performance. All the M Performance parts are manufactured using the highest quality. So this M Performance exhaust system is made out of high quality stainless steel for the highest durability. Also, it is developed with the latest CAD and FEM technologies for the optimal fit and OEM quality. So that is how the M Performance exhaust sounds like on the M340i. Let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the M Performance system? How does it sound like? Also, if you enjoy our content, like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.